Hello, my name is Eva Kilan-Magdiat, and I'm delighted to be talking to you today about live labs in accessibility. Within those live labs, you'll be learning all about assistive technologies and how different accessibility checkers can help you enhance your learning content to ensure that your learning offerings, courses, will be accessible for all. When you finish our live labs, you'll be well able to understand how assistive technologies work, how to map them to different learning difficulties and learning disabilities, and also how accessibility checkers work. You will get your hands dirty with different tools. You will understand much more about how those tools work, and all in the light of course, making our content, our courses more accessible. Very often in different organizations and institutions, accessibility might seem like a very tedious activity of ticking just the boxes. However, we want you to move beyond it and not to just tick the boxes of accessible content, but get your hands dirty with different tools and different technologies and fully understand how your learners, how your students process your learning content. That's why it's so important to understand what assistive technologies exist and also how to access those freely accessible accessibility checkers that maybe exist already within your institution. Making sure that our courses are accessible to all of the students is something very, very important for everybody. And there's no better time to look into accessibility than now. Of course, if you're in one of the European countries, you might be aware that there's a new European Accessibility Act that came to light very recently in June 2025. And we do need to look at how we provide our courses, how accessible and inclusive those are. So if you haven't looked at accessibility yet, now it's a great time to join our courses and learn more. If you would like to learn more about accessibility, different assistive technologies, as well as accessibility checkers, make sure to join us, download the brochure, and we hope to see you in those live sessions. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Design a better future with the Digital Learning Institute.